So what is going on, boys and girls? I'm bringing you guys a new prank call. This one's gonna be on the public library. Uh, I'm just gonna try and make up some random stuff. Try and keep them on the phone for as long as possible. Try and bullshit them as much as possible, maximum extent. So yeah, that's my whole point of prank calling them. Alright, let's prank call. Hope it's not too loud, guys. Damn. Alright. Alright.
Have reached the Strawberry Hill branch of the Surrey Public Library. You may press the appropriate number at any time during the following message. For hours and location,
Technical.
press 1. For telesearch, press 2. For the information department, press 3. For other inquiries, press 0 or remain on the line for assistance.
Okay, fine. I remain on the line for now.
You have reached the Strawberry Hill branch of the Surrey Public Library. You may press the appropriate number at any time during the following message. For hours and location, press 1. For telesearch, press 2. For the information department, press 3.
Oh,
For other
information.
inquiries, press 0 or remain on the line for assistance.
Alright. Information department,
Thank
please.
you. Just a moment.
Okay. I wait, don't worry. Hello?
Extension
What?
1603 is in use. Please enter another extension number.
It's a news. God damn it. Who would call the public library at this time? Damn. Like that just screams out no
Goodbye.
life. No life. Hello? Oh, damn, man. Alright, I'm gonna just call him back. See if I can get hold of them. This time I'm gonna go for another department. Hello?
You have reached the Strawberry Hill branch of the Surrey Public Library.
Fucking
You may press the
shit.
appropriate number at any time during the following message. For hours and location, press 1. For telesearch, press 2. For the information department, press 3. For other inquiries, press 0 or remain on the line.
Zero.
Thank you. Just a moment.
Okay, I wait one moment, but if you don't get me what I want. Alright, I'm gonna play as Kevin. Alright.
Good evening, Strawberry Hill Library.
Hello, my name is Kevin from the EMF Vancouver Electromagnetic Radiation Vancouver. We were doing our daily exercise, right, with our students here, and we seem to have noticed some gamma radiation emitting from the premises. Can I talk with a... Hello?
Hello, yes?
Yeah,
This
can I
is the
talk with...
library. Is that who you wish to speak to?
Yeah, we've detected gamma radiation waves emitting from the premises.
From ours.
Yeah, exactly from the library. I'm not sure if it has anything to do with because we've done our research. There seems to be high voltage machines.
I don't know anything about that, but I'll transfer you to the information desk if you could just hold the line.
Oh,
Thank
okay,
you.
all right, thank you. Oh, hello. What is this? This is some bullshit going on over here. Alright. Guess we're gonna have to call back. Alright, I'm gonna just call them back and reset. Alright, guys, I'm gonna just call them back and reset the when I do call them back. So, yeah, peace for now. Alright, guys, I called them back. We'll see how they react to me calling them back. Oh my god.
Hello, Strawberry Hill Library.
Hello, this is Kevin from the EMF Vancouver Electromagnetic Radiation, Vancouver. So, I believe we got
Yeah?
disconnected. I'm not sure.
Oh, okay. It wasn't me you were talking to. What is it that you wanted to know?
Yes, we were doing our daily exercise of a machine. Basically, what was going on is we were scanning the area for large waves, electromagnetic waves emitting from like certain places. There was a huge spike that came right
Yeah.
in your area. I'm not sure if it was from the
Right.
library or the the high voltage lines right beside it. I'm not sure, but it was huge. I think it was very to the point where it
Oh,
was like
right.
dangerous, just to
Where it's dangerous?
yeah,
Did you,
it's very unusual.
okay, but is it dangerous? Since you know what
It's
you're studying.
Yeah, I mean it can result in some really bad stuff. If I can make you just check something real quick, is that okay? As
Okay.
because we need to
Do
we're
you
gonna
work for
send.
the city? Do you work for the city of Surrey?
No, we are a private organization. We are EMF Vancouver Electromagnetic Radiation. Uh, if you want to
Okay.
contact us in the near future, 604-788.
I'm sorry, it's a really bad connection. I can't hear you very well. What did you want to know?
Yes, if I can make you just conduct a original test, please.
Well,
Just
that
to
depends. What is it you wanted me to do?
because we might be able to send some specialists there in a while because it seems to be very dangerous
Okay.
right now, dangerous conditions with the gamma rays.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
And
so
so you.
yeah, I just need to put you on hold for a sec. I just have a call. Is that okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right, thank you. Just wait a minute.
I'm going to get him to call Jennifer.
She's gonna end the call. I heard you.
I'll give her that. Because if it's dangerous, yeah. I thought gamma rays were just yeah.
All right,
I
I'm
wonder
gonna be
when
like,
he came and studied.
Harrow,
Hello?
Harrow, is this the Surrey Public Library?
Yes, it is.
Yes, my name is Baklau Rengaha. Basically, we are a organization, right? We are EMF Vancouver. We basically we detect the gamma radiation and the electromagnetic radiation coming through the ground, right, from the earth, right? Okay,
Right.
we were scanning, right, our daily daily exercise, right? We were doing, and
Right.
we detected a huge spike from the area, from the
Right.
premises. It's not
How
normal.
close to the How close to the library were you?
Not that close. We're right now we North Vancouver.
You're in North Vancouver?
Yes, we were doing daily scan. Not usual the spike, you know.
Did you come out to the Surrey Library?
No,
That's where
we
you
were
did the test?
yes, we called because we want to make an appointment to discuss
Okay.
the
Okay, I'm going to give you the branch. I'm going to give you the branch manager's name
okay.
and number.
All right.
Her name is Jennifer. Her name is Jennifer.
No, just quickly, what is your name, please? Harrow?
Yeah, so I don't know who you are, so I can't give out any. I can't talk to you about it because it's not my position to do that. You have to talk with the branch manager.
All right. Can I just make you do something real quick, just to check real quick, please?
It
Can you
depends.
go outside
It
this?
depends. What is it you want me to do?
And outside, I've been to the library once, right?
Right?
Outside, right, there is the high voltage line.
That's right.
Yeah, can you just go outside real quick and hear if there's like a buzzing noise or something?
I can't leave the building right now, but quite often there is.
Ooh, there's a buzzing
Especially when
noise?
especially when it's raining or damp out. Yeah.
Oh, that's normal. But if there's a buzzing
Yes.
noise in like the air and it's not really coming through from the high voltage line, right? It's usually
Right.
a disturbance in the sound waves, right? Hashtag 0.5. Yes. So usually,
Hold on and I'll go check. Okay.
all right.
Okay.
Disturbance in the sound waves, hashtag point five. Yeah. She's leaving the building. Oh my god. I am so going. I think I'm gonna hang up.
I can't hear anything tonight.
Okay, that's a
Hello?
good sign, right? Can you just
okay.
another final thing? Can you like
Okay.
put your hand on the ground and see if there's like a slightly vibrating sensation?
I'm just right at the building. I can't go out. I can't
No,
go out too far
no,
from the
inside
building.
inside the building, please.
Inside the building?
Yes. Slightly vibrations.
No.
No,
No,
but
don't feel anything at all.
is it the carpet? Is it the
It's
carpet?
yeah, over the cement. Yeah, over the cement floor.
Oh, okay. Can you like put your ear against the floor or something and hear if there's like the buzzing noise coming through?
No, we don't have anything like that happening here.
Yeah, but can you please put your ear against the floor and just hear if there's like, or even the wall. It doesn't have to be the floor. And just hear if there's like the buzzing noise or something like tingling.
Right? Yeah, I can't hear anything like that. No.
Like even against the floor?
No, nothing.
Oh, then these are very unusual, these very unusual spikes, you know, not usually. The highest has ever been 3.5 hashtag 5.0. That's the highest
Okay.
we've ever experienced in the Surrey area, right? But this
Is
one
that
is
what it is
usually
right now?
no, it's higher right now. I don't know why. Do you guys have the wireless internet or is it wired?
We have wireless.
That's usually not the case, but I mean,
Well, if it's serious, you should probably start talking to.
it's not that,
Probably the branch
not,
manager.
I mean, it's not that serious, but, I can, it's not dangerous. I mean, I don't know how to explain it really. I mean, usually it's not that dangerous. It's usually the waves just come up and then they kind of degrade over time, right? But
Right.
since you are not hearing any vibrations or nothing, usually that's pretty good, you know. Usually they hear vibrations and the ground shaking and boom, 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 right? So
Right. No, nothing like that.
yes, okay. Let me just give you our contact number and our email and also our website really quickly.
Okay.
We will send some specialists to just to examine the premises. Okay, is that okay? Tomorrow?
That's why you'd have to speak to my manager here. I'm not able to give you that
Authorization,
permission.
right? Okay, can you give me your manager, please, then? Or
Yes, her name's Jennifer.
yes, okay, Jennifer. Okay, let me just. Okay, Jennifer, right?
Yes,
Gennifer.
that's right.
Okay, contact information, please.
Her phone number is 604.
604 IFER.
That's right.
Okay, contact information, please.
Her phone number is 604
604
5841.
5841. Okay. Is this the direct
Yes, yeah.
direct one or is it like the office one?
No, that's her direct one.
Okay, directly. Okay, can you just record my phone number, please?
Okay.
604
Mm-hmm.
788
Okay.
07
Oh, sorry, could you repeat the last four numbers?
0743.
0743. Okay.
Okay, my name is Baklaw Rangah Ramde Samdingdam, and I am from the Electromagnetic Radiation Vancouver, right? Our website is emfsafehome.com.
Safehome.com.
emfsafehome.com.
Okay. Okay.
Alright,
I will give you the information.
alright. You contact my manager, his name is John, okay? It's on the website, all the
Okay.
contact information, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
I need to get back to work now, so I will pass that information on.
Alright, thank you. Be sure because it might be very
Okay. I'll let them know.
alright.
Thank you very much. Okay,
Alright.
bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Electromagnetic radiation Vancouver. emfsafehouse.com. That's an actual website, guys. I did my research before I did the prank call. Alright, guys. It's been nice. But I gotta go do some laundry.